Okay, so this is our shopping haul today.
We went to the same shopping district.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, yeah. It's where everyone bought.
I also got the chopper and this.
Yeah, let's go to Tokyo.
Also have this shirt and this shirt. This outlet is full. I wonder where's the other outlet on this side? No. Oh, I found it way up here.
You're supposed to be up there.
I don't know. In the Noodle Museum, and we're out of the rain and they took our luggage, which is very helpful and thankful. But as I was saying, we are here in the Cup Noodle Museum. And luckily they took our luggage for free. All we had to do was pay 500 yen for the admission, which is really good. We're basically being entertained and they're holding our luggage. Like, what a great idea that Kara had. I got a cup, but nothing inside. Everyone working on their art.
Do you know the way? You don't know the way.
That's just art right there. Lane, are you done? Is you done? Lane.
Yeah?
You good? Cause I know we good. You see the technique in art right there. He's finessing it. It's so sassy. You see the intensity and the focus. Oh, focus is lost. And this one, there's a great precision in the stroke. Very clear message, straight to the point, and always on your worst behavior. Don't forget to follow him.
So cute and creative. I wasn't creative. I just put chopper on my cup with a bunch of hearts. Is that Naruto?
No. Scoop.
No, it's not. Look at Nico's cup.
Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Clear. Okay, next one.
Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is Tiki upside down. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Clear. Okay, next one.
Yeah.
それではディナーさんがあります。次とプレゼントと一緒の方に何をお待ちください。
Shrimp.
お客様2名様ですか？はい、じゃあカップお願いします。Okay, one cup. Okay, please get a cup. Thank you. Okay. はい、では最後のベッドに倒していきます。こちらです。昼間のはい、今日は後ろのエアコン給水コーナーでエアコン給水をくださいでお持ち帰り。次の手項目は一度間違いは3本の注文です。
Thank you. Out a cup of noodles. Look at that. And there's a slide for them to slide down. And a giant cup noodle there. And nets for them to climb there. Hilarious. Yeah. Wait. So mine is messed up. Not messed up, but it's just sticking out. It's not completely covered, but Edward found a way to fix that. He's gonna show you how. So if you have this problem, all you need is a straw. And you can get a straw from the cafeteria, which is in the next row. Wow. Yay! Look at that. Kakigori. It looks like your mom's spaghetti. Look at this red elevator. This is the ramen guy who created cup noodles. Let's go see the history, Edward.
It's an illusion room. Wow. Giant.
apron, towel, pencils, socks. Oh, lady. These are cakeys. Okay, so we left Yokohama and we're finally here in Tokyo, Shinjuku. We just got to our Airbnb and it's amazingly big and huge that there's more beds than us. Got this fabulous door here. This is the entrance. We got some shoes here. Ooh, they even have umbrellas for us. Fake fruits. Oh, here's the key. Well, got the slippers on. So let's do the first floor. First room on the right. 2 sinks. To hang your clothes. Bathroom. Ooh, and it has a bidet, which I like. I like to spray my butt. Shower number 1 and shower number 2. Washing machine. And then go through here. In this room, bathroom number 2. Another bidet, which is awesome. And then on our way here is the kitchen. Dining room. Kitchen right here, fridge right here, toaster, microwave. Can we open this door? Oh, we can. There's an entrance way over there. Let's lock that back up. And then this is the first bedroom, 104. This is Kevin's room. Hi, Kevin. Kevin has 2 beds.
I do. It's for my ghost friend.
Oh, that's not funny.
I know, I was gonna scare the shit out of myself.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, okay, bye. Next room, living room. Oh, another living room. Oh, what did I say? I don't know, I'm confused.
We're watching sumo.
Hey, that guy's white.
Oh, I've seen that guy before. He's one of what do you call that? Oh, never mind. White guy lost. Okay, moving on. So this room, 101, is Elroy's and Kara's room. See? It's really nice and roomy. There's a fridge, AC, so spacious. I think that Elroy and Kara got the best room. You guys got the awesome room.
Did you see we have the garden?
You guys do have the best room. Oh my god. So tranquil. Hell yeah, this is the best room. I'm jelly. But that's okay. As long as I have a room, I'm happy. And then this room. Whoa! You scared me. 102 is me and Edward's room. See? We also can go outside and see the garden. And there's a mini fridge right here. And now, let's go upstairs. Oh, a chart of how to organize trash. Let's go. Here is a second washer. Someone's washing clothes. We should be washing clothes, definitely. A sink. Mirror. Hi. Another toilet. Mini kitchen. Shower. This is room 201. This is the living room, I believe. Yep, I'm right. It's a nice big living room. Cute leaves on there. Then room 204 is Nico's room. Nico! I'm coming in.
Get out of my room.
This is Nico's room, the only room that doesn't have a, just kidding. Kevin's room doesn't have a fridge
Yeah, I know,
too.
there's 2 beds this way.
Yeah.
So is Ed, wait, so does he get 2 beds to himself, or how does that work?
Yeah, he has 2 beds to
Oh,
himself.
that's dope. If he gets drunk, he can go on the closest one. Gotta make sure this thing's soundproof.
Oh
No,
my
never mind, it's not.
I think you should be in the big room.
a king size bed.
Next room, 205. I believe this is Edmund's room. Oh yeah, that's Edmund's room. This is Edmund's room. He also have a fridge, but at least it opens up. Ours only can't even open all the way. Shut the hell up.
Fucking cut, bruh.
Stupid.
That's why you check all the rooms first before you start coughing.
We just want the bottom floor, that's for sure.
And you want me and Nico on the...
What? Couldn't hear you. And then 206. Edna's room. Edna, you ready? Hello. The no comes. This is Edna's room. Ooh. And her fridge also opens all the way. Look, she already got drinks in there.
Yeah.
And lastly, the last room, 203, which is Paul. Paul, I'm coming in. Oh my God. I have family watching this, you know. Okay, this is Paul's room. Do you have a fridge in here?
No.
Oh, Paul doesn't have it too. Okay, all right, bye, Paul. But anyways, that's the room tour. Sorry about Paul being in his underwear. Please take that out of your mind. Bye.